Hi friends, welcome to the second part of Bhutan Diaries. In this segment, we will be traveling to Punakha and Thimphu, visiting various monasteries and other fascinating places along the way. With all the members of tour bonding together, the second half of our journey was filled with fun activities such as Antakshari, games, karaoke and cards. Before coming to Bhutan, I always wondered why Bhutan tops the list of happiest countries in the world. While traveling and observing the people, I experienced that Bhutanese culture emphasizes holistic well-being over economic growth. There is a strong focus on mindfulness, compassion, and the pursuit for inner peace, along with environmental conservation and robust community and social bonding. It's no wonder you can feel the positive aura in everyone you meet in Bhutan. Welcome to Black Crane Information Center. Each winter, the people of Bhutan's Phobjikha Valley awaits the return of black-necked cranes. The stately 4-foot-tall birds migrate from their breeding grounds in the upper Tibet Plateau to this remote place surrounded by massive Himalayan peaks and rest there until spring amid the alpine wetlands. To the Buddhist of this tiny kingdom, the birds are heavenly avatars of long-gone ancestors and lost loved ones, signifying longevity, peace and prosperity. The graceful birds are so culturally important that they are painted on the sides of the home and businesses throughout the country. Phobjikha Valley, at an altitude of 2,900 meters, lies on the periphery of Black Mountain National Park.
खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे बनेगी दुल्हनिया सजे आएंगे दूल्हे राजा भैया राजा बजाएगा बाज ना करते प्यार तुम्हीं से कर बैठे ना करते प्यार तुम्हीं से कर बैठे करना था इकरार मगर इकरार तुम्हीं से कर बैठे
Gangte Gomba Monastery enjoys a prime location, situated on the forested hills overlooking the green expanse of the entire Phobjikha Valley. The extensive complex consists of Central Gomba, Monk's Quarter, a small guest house, and outlying meditation centers. It was established in accordance to 15th century prophecy made by the famous treasure discoverer Pema Lingpa, where his religious traditions are still taught. Gangte Monastery was founded by Pema Trinley, the grandson of Pema Lingpa. Gangte festival is held in the large courtyard of Gangte Monastery. The festival falls in the autumn depending on the Buddhist lunar calendar. A great time to visit Gangte, the hilltop village, is the winter months, especially November, when the black-necked Gompa Constructed in 1637, the Punakha Dzong was the second fortress Dzong built in the country, translated to mean Palace of Great Happiness or Bliss. Its towering white walls form a beautiful contrast to the surrounding green and blues. Celebrated as one of the Bhutan's oldest, largest and most striking fortified monasteries, the Punakha Dzong holds an important relic over which many wars were fought with the Tibetans.
Okay, Ute, the central tower, which divides the administration and religious side. Okay, so this side, sub administration side of the valley. Okay, and the other side is the monastery side. So we are going to the third courtyard. The first courtyard here, second beach mein aate hain, and third. Okay, so can you see a rod up there? रॉड देख रहे हैं?
हाँ.
तो उधर से हम लोग का डिस्ट्रिक्ट फेस्टिवल सेचू करके मास डांसेस ऐसे होते हैं ना, तो उस टाइम पे पुनाखा का फेस्टिवल और ओनली द पुनाखा डिस्ट्रिक्ट पीपल और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. उसका रेनकार्नेट है करके मानते हैं. तो जो प्रीवियस मास्टर का जो बॉडी था उसका स्पाइन से देयर वाज अ कोहिनूर जैसे ज्वेल व्हिच वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर टिबेटन. तो जब वो एक्सपेल करके इधर आया तो ही बॉट दैट फॉर टिबेटन ट्राइब्स वर आफ्टर हिम. ओके, सो आउट हियर दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज मेड इन सच अ वे दैट उधर सर्कुलेट करने की जगह बहुत है. इधर से घुस जाओ, उधर से आ जाओ. तो टिबेटन ट्राइब्स वर लुकिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड काउंटिंग द हेड आर्मी की तरह कितना है. सो अंडर दिस फोर्ट इट इज बिलीव्ड दैट इट वाज constructed in 1 year. So 1636 में कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू हुआ and 1 year में कंप्लीट हुआ करके मानते हैं, क्योंकि जो टू रिवर्स है लेफ्ट एंड राइट से they actually came as a flood and collected all the raw materials that were needed for the construction of the fort, which was easier to build. तो वो माना जाता है और it is believed एक साल में ही कंप्लीट कर दिया करके मानते हैं. ओके,
We are now near the clock tower. This is majorly the center for all the commercial shopping and other activities.
Twenty-two.
23,
24, 25,
26.
28 out.
थोड़ा इस तरफ आ जाइए, इस तरफ आ जाइए, इस तरफ
अभी इधर गोल ऐसा छोटा कर
हाँ या इकडे. ओके, 1 out of 3.
1,
2, 3,
4,
5,
6,
8,
9,
10, 11,
12, 13, 15.
अभी ऐसे ही चलेंगे. कच्ची पपई, पक्की पपई, कच्ची पपई, पक्की पपई, कच्ची पपई, पक्की पपई, कच्ची पपई, ऐसे ही चलेंगे. जो नेक्स्ट मेंबर होगा वो कच्ची पपई से ही स्टार्ट करेगा. ओके, वो किस पे? ये भले कच्ची पपई पे आउट हो, लेकिन जो नेक्स्ट मेंबर है वो कच्ची पपई से. कच्ची पपई,
पक्की पपई, कच्ची पपई, पप्पी पके.
तुलत बघ जाता मागे वळून पाहता वाट पावला तळतळली. जशी मावळत्या उन्हात केवळ्याच्या बनात नावीण सळसळली. मळ्याच्या माळामध्ये कोंग उभी राखण करते मी रामजी. रावजी हात नका लावजी, पाहिल कोणीतरी. रावजी हात नका लावजी, पाहिल कोणीतरी.
Now we have reached Sitting Buddha site. It's a very big statue, and the view from the top is really awesome.
The root beer करके भी मानते हैं. Okay, so you will see the Buddha in a seated position with 4 heads. Okay, plus accompanied by the 8 bodhisattvas under. And we are trying to place 125,000 छोटा 8 inch and 12 inch का छोटा statue at the wall side.
Takin Reserve, situated on the outskirts of Thimphu Valley, is one of the most protected areas of Bhutan. This reserve is dedicated in preserving the takin, national animal of Bhutan. Flanked at altitude of 2,500 meters, reserve is surrounded with dense forest of alpine trees. There is a legend about takin, according to which Drukpa Kunle, the divine madman of Bhutan, created takin in 15th century by attaching skull of goat with the skeleton of cow, after the local requested him to conjure a miracle. Located on eastern bank of Wangchu River, Tasichozong has served as a seat of Bhutanese government since 1952. Nestled amidst the tranquil beauty of its surroundings, Zong stands as a beacon of spirituality and governance. The Zong features 2 entrances on its eastern side. The southeast entrance grants access to the administrative sector, while the northeast entrance leads to the monastery area. Within the Zong lies an assembly hall, housing a magnificent statue of Sakya Muni Buddha alongside the thrones for current and former kings. Now it was the time for shopping in the famous handicraft market in Thimphu, where you get lot of handicraft item, purses, souvenir, which are handmade by the local craftsmen and the artists.
बनके आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं इसी तमन्ना में। तुम मेरे हो, तुम मेरे हो, आज तो इतना वादा करते जाना। ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए। सत्तावी तर मला न जाऊन सांगेल मी बाबाला, अरे जा जा तू मुला का सत्तावी तर मला चावत चावत हे नीतीने मेरो खंबीर चावत दा
करवंदाचं लोणचं.
करवंदाचं लोणचं चमचम झालं च च
चिरोटे.
चिरोटे ट बीटीप ट
चिलवे.
ट ट
टमाट्याचा ठेचा.
टोमॅटोचा ठेचा च एटीप च
सांबार.
सांबार र
रवा सादा मसाला
रवा सादा और मसाला कैसे होता है?
At the end of my journey, I realized that Bhutan is not just a country for sightseeing, it's an experience. The true essence of Bhutan lies in exploring its landscape, immersing yourself in its tradition and culture, meeting its people. This small Himalayan kingdom offers a deep sense of peace and contentment that goes beyond mere tourism. As you traverse through the Sirin Valley and visit the ancient monasteries, you will discover that Bhutan's charm is in its authenticity and simplicity. The smile of locals, the vibrant festivals, and the spiritual ambience of this nation leaves a lasting impression. To truly experience Bhutan, one must go beyond the surface and embrace the country way of life.